Hello, yeah, we're in Scotland, up in the Cairngorms, and we're up here representing Ramblers Cymru for our Walks for Women project. We're here for a couple of days to meet up with the Scottish ladies that are doing a project up here with the Community Champion scheme. We've got Georgia from Wrexham, who came to our first ever walk that we did in that community. And she's been with us throughout, so she's amazing, she's come with us. And we've got Lacey, who's come from our partnership with Barod in Rhyl. And so she's come all that way, she's incredible as well. But they've met on this trip, which is lovely. The age range has been identified as hard to engage, and after school everyone's just kind of thrown out into the real world, so people can get a little bit lost. So it's creating a sense of community for the girls, they're making friends, connections, and obviously out walking, good for mental health, good for physical health.
I struggle with my mental health and I'm on the autism spectrums. I've always struggled with that part of myself, and it's just opened my mind a lot to a lot of things and pushing my boundaries a lot. So yeah, this is like a really big thing for me.
This has been great to kind of build those support systems around the girls, get them out walking and start learning new skills.
Seeing the young participants begin the walk, having perhaps never had the opportunity to stay away from home before, and come and join a group of strangers effectively, and then by the end of 2 days to see them and feel them move in that group and have a sense of community and friendship in that group has been truly wonderful, and just shows the power of rambling and walking and celebrating walking.
It's been an amazing experience. It's definitely an amazing opportunity to have had, and I'm glad I took the opportunity. There's like no faults in it at all, and yeah, I just enjoyed everything. Hopefully at some point I can come back here, because it's an absolutely beautiful place and a beautiful experience.